In this video I'll be showing you how to check whether Python is working properly within your Eclipse workspace. So you should have a setup similar to this, where you have on the left hand side the Learn Python folder. If not, then just right click, go on New and create a folder. And inside that folder we're going to create a new file. That file we're going to call just hello.py. .py is the extension for Python, and just click on Finish and it will run and create that. And you'll also need to allow it to have incoming connections. I'm not too sure what it uses connection for, but it's used for something, so just click on Allow and it'll be fine. And there's two ways in which we need to do this. The first way is, because we're using an IDE, it's going to be a simple something called a print function, and I'll cover what this means later on in the course. This is just to check whether or not what we've got set up works. And the way that we do that is we just do print, and then inside the two brackets, or I'll be calling them parentheses from now on, inside the parentheses we have two double quotes to start and end a string, and I'll cover what a string is later on as well. And then inside there we just type the text hello world, and then we end the line with a semicolon. That's all we need. If we save, then go up to this button here which looks like the play button. It says run as. If you click that, you'll get this little pop-up. This pop-up will appear just once, and you need to go to Python run. Click on OK, and at the bottom here in the console you'll get the output, which is hello world. Now, if you don't get this, you'll most likely receive an error, and all you need to do is check that you spelled the function right and that you got the quotes in there. If you don't have the quotes in there, then it won't work, and if you don't have the function spelt right, then it won't output either. Okay, the second way in which we can do this is if we were doing it with command line, and you'd need something called a shebang or a hash bang. And the way that you do that is use a hash and a bang or an exclamation point. Now that's quite hard to read, so for the hash on is the sort of, it looks like a knots and crosses sort of grid, and then the exclamation point. And then what you need to do is /usr/local/bin/python. That's all you need to do, and that /python. And just make sure that is the link towards your towards where the actual file is saved, the interpreter is saved. And the reason for that is so that when you run this page, when you run the script, it will find the interpreter and then be able to run it properly. However, we won't be using the hash bang or the shebang in our videos and our lessons, because we are using an IDE. Okay, so that's all that there is to this. If you don't get the output and it doesn't give you an error, then follow the previous video in the setup again, because you would have missed out one of the stages. Like, you might have linked to a Python interpreter wrong, or you might have set up your workspace slightly wrong. So just follow the previous video until you get the right output here, and the output is in the console at the bottom saying hello world. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon.